So hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you some of the math functions that you can use in SmowCode. And as you can see, I have created a simple flow of the commonly used math functions which are available as individual nodes. And as you can see, the first function which we have is the random number generation. So if you go in its properties, you can see the range of numbers which you want a random number in. So I have chosen the range to be from 0 to 10. Let's change the range from 1 to 15. So it's going to choose any random number between 1 to 15, and I have displayed the number right here using the display num, and I've kept the label as random number. So it's going to display as random number is equal to whatever our random number is. The next math function is the floor function, and its parameter is just one number which you want to floor. So what a floor function does is it's gonna round your number to the nearest decimal, but if it's 15.8, it's gonna round it to 15.0 and not 16.0. So the lower integer value is gonna be, it's gonna round it up to that. And as you can see, I'll change the value to 13.8, and then I've displayed the floor number. Next to the floor number is the ceiling function, which is the same as the floor function, but it rounds your decimal value to the higher integer. So 10.2 is gonna display 11, and let's change this to 8.4. So this is gonna display 9. Then there's the square root function, which displays the square root of a given number. As you can see, once again the parameter is just a single number, and it's gonna, you can change it. I'll keep it as 100 for now, so it should display 10. And then we have the natural log function, which displays the natural log of the given value. So I have kept the parameter as 10, and the log of 10 is 2.30. So it should display that with some more decimal points because it's super precise. For ESP32, and let's see the output. And this is the serial display. Let's just reset our ESP32. And as you can see, the random number it generated is 9. It flowed 13.8 to 13. It sealed 8.4 to 9, and the square root of 100 it shows us as 10. And the natural log for 10 is 2.30259. So this is how you use math functions. Math functions are super useful in many of the program where you need to perform expressions, simple expressions, and this is how you do them using SmowCode.